Alright, so today I'm going to be making a video on the white iPhone 4 back housing. Got this off sw-box.com for $14. It's the same one as the original one, except white. It's OEM quality, so it's the same one, pretty much. Okay, so what we're going to do here in this video is install this one and take out this one. Okay, so let's get started.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get a Phillips screwdriver. If your iPhone has a different type of screw, then you're going to need the screwdriver for that. So anyways, let's get started. So you want to take out the first one very gently, take your time. Try not to scratch your phone, the bezel. I made that mistake. Alright, so pretty much it's easy to take them off. Make sure you, when you remove them, put them in a safe spot where you won't lose them. I already lost one, so but it doesn't matter. I already have replacement parts just in case. Alright, so before we go any further, you want to make, if you're concerned about your iPhone getting, damaged or something in the process, it's recommended that you turn it off, but not required. But if you're concerned about your phone safety, then go ahead. So I already powered mine down. Next, you're going to probably, if you want, you can take off your SIM card. But like I said, it's not required unless you're going to take off the battery. Alright, so set your SIM card aside. Alright, so let's continue where we left off. You want to lift, okay, so now you have no screws on the bottom. So now you want to lift it up gently until you hear a clicking sound. Alright, so you see there's a gap. That means you opened it successfully. So you want to carefully, gently take it off. And here we have the insides of the iPhone 4. It's pretty complicated if you want to tear it down. Okay, so here we have our back housing. Yours might be different, of course. So it's just a tutorial on how to take it off, install the same one or a different one. Okay, so here's the tricky part. You want to place it where you see the gap at the bottom. Alright, and then you want to put everything in place, make sure everything's okay, and you want to pull it down gently. And there you go, it's all in place. So now you want to put the screws back on. So once you put the screws back on, you have successfully taken off the original one and put another one. So this is just basically a tutorial just to show you guys how to take off, or how to just basically take off the back housing. It's pretty simple. Anyone can do it. It's not that complicated. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So please make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment. I will do more videos in the future. I'll do more videos on iPhones or anything else you guys would recommend. So anyway, so here's my back housing, the white one. It's pretty cool. It's an official OEM. If you guys like the website, the link is going to be in the description. Got it from sw-box.com. Alright, so it's loading. Alright, then that's pretty much it. I guess I will see you guys later.